Question 6a. Two positive whole numbers P and Q are such that P is greater than Q and their sum is equal to 3 times their difference. Roman figure 1 express P in terms of Q. Roman figure 2 hence evaluate P squared plus Q squared over PQ. Solution. From the first statement, P is greater than Q. You have it in this form and you call that equation 1. And again, their sum, that is P plus Q, is equal to 3 times their difference. And that is what you have here. If you open the bracket in the right hand side, you have this result. You can call that equation 2. And you are asked to express P in terms of Q. Equation 2 will help us to do that. From equation 2, you simply collect like terms and you have P minus 3P equal to minus 3Q minus Q. If you transfer this, and you have minus 2P equal to minus 4Q. If you divide through by minus 2, you have P equal to 2Q. You have expressed P in terms of Q. Now, you are asked to evaluate this. We know P to be 2Q. You simply replace P with 2Q wherever it is found. So you have 4P squared, 4Q squared plus Q squared. So you have 4Q squared plus Q squared over 2Q squared. If you multiply this, if you add the numerator, you have 5Q squared over 2Q squared. By the time Q squared cancels off, you are left with 5 over 2 as the value for this expression. Question 6b. A man sold 100 articles at 25 for 66 naira and made a gain of 32%. Calculate his gain or loss percent if he sold them at 20 for 55 naira. Before the last statement is considered, the cost price is needed. So you use the information in the first statement to get the cost price. Let us start by getting the selling price. From the question, the 100 articles, 25 are sold for 66 naira. That means the next 25 becomes 66 times 2. Put all together, you can obtain the selling price by multiplying the 100 articles by 66 and divide by 25, and that gives 264 naira. Since the first statement is percentage gain, we use the formula for percentage gain to enable us get the cost price. The gain of 32% simply means 32 over 100. That has removed this. Selling price is 264 minus cost price over cost price. If you cross multiply, you have this result. If you open the bracket in the right hand side, you have this result. Collect like terms, you have this result. If you add, you have this result. Divide both sides by 132 to get the cost price, and the cost price is 200 naira. To know whether the man made gain or loss, we need to get the selling price from the second statement. The same 100 articles, he sold them again at 20 for 55 naira. So the selling price from that transaction is 100 times 55 divided by 20, and that is 250 naira. It is clear that the selling price is greater than cost price, therefore gain is made. So percentage gain, again you have the same formula, that is 250 for selling price minus 200 for cost price over 200 for cost price times 100%. If you subtract the numerator, you have 50. You can reduce 100 and 200 by 100, and you have 2 remaining here. So you have 50 over 2%, and that is 25%.